Tired of watching your potential gains vanish in the blink of an eye due to market volatility? Let's take control and learn how to set sell limit orders on Photon. First, open the Photon app and navigate to the trading pair you want to set a sell limit for. Select the sell option. This will bring up the order entry screen. Now, instead of the default market order, tap on the order type and choose limit order. This is key to setting your desired selling price. Next, you'll see a price field. This is where you enter the exact price at which you want to sell your asset. Be realistic but also aim for your desired profit target. Then, enter the amount of the asset you want to sell in the amount field. You can either type in the quantity or use the percentage buttons to sell a portion of your holdings. Double check your details, the price and the amount to ensure they're correct. Once you're happy, tap the Place Sell Order button. A confirmation window will appear, summarizing your order. Review it carefully before confirming. This is your last chance to make any changes. Congratulations! Your sell limit order is now placed. You can track it in the Open Orders section of your portfolio. Photon will automatically execute the order when the market price reaches your specified limit price.